What's up creative, this is Philip and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are actually looking at some design trends before the year ends. And before I do that, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, because the upcoming year we have lots of tutorials, lots of design tips, lots of content for you, to help you become a better designer and to help you make some money for your living. Alright, so before, please subscribe. No, you can't just come and watch the video like that. Just subscribe. We need a subscription. Now hit the notification button. Just subscribe. Alright, let's move on. So we have some design trends. As you can look on my screen, this is my personal Instagram page, and you can see there is this shapes. Let me open this design quickly. You can see we have this shape running at the back of the image. This design shape, and there is another one before the thank you. Let me show you this one too. I did. You can see another shape here, and then I've placed the text in between. Now a lot of people has been asking how these shapes come about. You can see another one at the back of this guy. You can see another one at the back of this guy too. This curved look. There is this guy too has been doing it a lot. Devon. He has been doing that shape. Something like this. Something like this. A lot of people has been asking how you can create something like this, and it's very simple, very cool. Alright, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so now there are three ways you can create this kind of shapes, and we are going to look at the first one. The first one is using the shape tool. The shape tool. So to get something like this curved shape to get something like this is what you are supposed to do. So you can choose your rectangular tool, turn the stroke off, and choose any color. So I'm going with black since I have a white background here. I'm going with black, like so. And then you have to just draw your shape to any length, like so. Now when you look at this shape here, and look at the shape here, the edges are curved. The edges are normally they are round. The edges are round. So what you are supposed to do is you come to the property layer, and then don't turn off this button here. Don't turn it off. Turn it on, so that anything you do to one side will affect all the other side. So you just drag to the right, and drag to the right like so. And you can see you have that curved, rounded edges here. Okay, so now what you are supposed to do is you Control T, you select the shape and Control T. Now in Control T, you come to this part, you see the correct sign, you see blah blah, I don't know this one. Then you see the other one, then you click on this one. You click where the correct sign is, you click on the first one, and you click on this one. You can come to warp. When you come to the warp, you can choose arc, and it will create the arc. So let's say this one is going upwards. If you want it to go inward, like so, this is what you can do. You can just come to the bend and drag to the left, till you get a kind of shape you want. Drag to the left, and we are good to go. So if you want to add more, If you want to add strokes, you can add your stroke. And we are good to go. Yeah, so guys, this is the first trick. You can use it. You can use the blah blah blah. You can use the shape tool to create shapes like this. Alright, now with the same, let me control. Yeah, let me start the whole thing again for you now. Okay, so maybe you don't want that curve shape, but you want something like coming. Let me show you something real quick, like something like this, the way it is curved. Don't want something round. Yeah, but I want something like this kind of curved look. So this is what you can do with the same triangle. Now with the same rectangle, sorry, and Control T, you click on this part and then you come to custom. Now there are two ways you can do this one. You can just choose the flag. Yes, and you can get it. You can get something like this. But if you want, you can also Control T again. Choose this one and then hold. You have one. The pointer, the down one. You have 1, 2. So hold this one and drag it down like so. Drag this part down to like so. Drag this one up like so. Drag this one in like so, and we are good to go. So you can rotate it anyhow you want. And we are good to go. Alright, so enough with the shape tool. Yeah, now let's go right into the other two. Now we are going to use the pen tool to create a shape. So to create those shapes. Alright, so let's get right into it. Now you can just select your shape, and there are some few settings you have to do before you are able to create that shape with a pen tool. So you come to the panel here. Now we have shape or path. Now make sure your settings is set to path shape. Yeah, make it shape. Make your settings to shape or set it to shape, and you are good to go. Now you can just choose your fill color. Make sure the stroke is transparent, and you are good to go. Alright, so this is what you are supposed to do. You click one point like so, bring it forward to any point that you want, and click another one. You click one point like sorry guys. Then open the stroke to any point that you want. Then you click one point like so, click another, hold and drag like so to any point that you want, and you have something. Let me turn off there. Yes, and we are good to go. And then you can also click another point like so, and you are gone. You can click here too, and you are gone. Click here too, and you are gone. Alright, so that is it. You can use the pen tool to create shapes in your designs. Use a pen tool to create shapes in your designs. So this one, make sure you turn the fill color off, and then you go with the stroke. Yes, you choose a color for the stroke, and that is what we have here. Yes, now